how I created the ultimate New Year's Eve makeup using my all-time favorite makeup products with a sprinkle of glitter. I'm a professional makeup artist. I've been doing looks similar to this for years. When I wear this look, I feel confident, I feel flirty, I feel sexy. We're going to start with the eyes first because I don't want to risk any fallout. Starting with the Dior highlighter in the pink shade. When I think about New Year's makeup, I think glitter. So this is going to be full-on glitter, but we're going to do it really wearable. I had to get these glitters out. They are like my all-time favorite. This one's Mademoiselle. It's almost like a pinky with a gold reflect. Even if I don't do anything on New Year's, I'm still going to do a cute makeup look and just sit on my sofa. This is from the Alchemist palette that Kat Von D brought out. Honestly, trust the process. I might take it all the way through the center. Peaches Makeup Pigment in Pixie. This is a iridescent with a pink reflect. Something that people don't know about sparkle is that it's a really good blending color. If things go wrong, just put a sparkle on your eye and I promise you, you'll be fine. This is the reason I'm doing this New Year's makeup look. I absolutely live, laugh, love the chrome flakes from Danessa Myricks. It's like an adhesive gel that's got glitter chunks in it. We're gonna apply that where we did the blue. The chunks are just so pretty for like reflecting light. Doing a little bit of tight lining just because we are going to be wearing lashes. I spoke about this in my last video and you guys loved the trick. Wiggle a black kohl pencil in between your lashes so there's no gap. Honestly, game changing. Controversial take of this video is that I don't really like black on the waterline. I just don't think it looks good on me, but you'll have to let me know. I'm gonna do like a tiny little bit. My pro makeup hat is on and it's saying don't do a wing liner, but I might regret that. Smoking out everywhere we did a tight line. Has anyone seen the pre-glued lash trend? It makes my lazy girl makeup such a dream. They're clusters with already a little bit of glue on them. You just need to go underneath your lashes rather than on top of your lashes. Like always, I'll link everything down below. It's so hard not to pull a weird face when you do these. Once you're done, you just clamp them together. My new thing at the moment is putting mascara on false lashes. I feel like it makes it look more natural. This is why we do eyes first. I'm gonna take the Danessa Myricks, put them on my lashes, like right at the end. You can definitely do this with like other glitters as well. You don't have to use the chrome flakes. Zoom you out so you can see the base. Watch my foundation rating video. Spoiler alert, this is my favorite foundation. This makes my skin look like butter. It lasts all day. The best foundation, and I will argue with anyone in the comments that says it isn't. It's not fragrance, it just has a weird smell. I think it's all the skincare qualities in there. I love it when you put a base on. I feel like you don't look like you until you put your base on. Never forget to go up your nose a little bit. Going with the NARS Creamy Concealer. Oh, I got a hair. A little bit more concealer than I usually do, especially around my redness zones. I've been using the Laguna bronzer all wrong, so I've been using a more dense brush to apply this, but it definitely needs more of a fluffy brush. It literally stays on forever. I mean, I have no colour to my skin at the moment, so I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Sun Blush in Sunlit. This is the blush I use in all my videos. Because there were so many launches this year in terms of blushes, I feel like it never got its moment. Set in with the Laura Mercier powder. This is a holy grail of mine. When I go out, like out, I like to apply it everywhere just so that my makeup stays on longer. A few of you boomers have been noticing my nose ring lately. I get it, you don't like it. Remember the first product we used? I'm going to use that as my highlight. So pretty. It makes like a wet look on your face. I would be doing an injustice to the Alchemist palette if I didn't go back in with that purple violet shade for my highlight. That with the oh, it's given 2016 highlight and I'm so here for it. The Mademoiselle colour that I had on the inner corner and outer corner of my eye into that inner corner and kind of bring it down a little bit. Of course we go back in with the Danessa Myricks Chrome Flake into the lash line a little bit. I feel like when I use pink on my lips, it makes my teeth look more yellow. It's going to have to be a cool tone lip. I'm going to do my favourite combo at the moment, which is the Vive Velvet Sands lip liner. This is a liner that actually suits me. That is one hell of a lip liner. One of my most used lipsticks. This is Honey Love MAC. Again, lots of people ask me what is on my lips. This is usually on my lips. Not too pink, it's more like peachy pink. Just like not a matte girly, so I am gonna put a lip gloss on. Eve Lip Dew. Come on. Wish there was a bigger size, you know? No, I'm not a huge setting spray fan, but I am gonna try out the all-nighter vitamin C, see if it does anything to my face. I don't think this is gonna set necessarily. I think it's just gonna melt in all my products. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on this. Will you be recreating this for New Year's Eve? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.